14, Lesson 3 from Chapter 4, Living Things of the Past. How can we learn about things that lived long time ago? You can learn about plants and animals that lived long ago by studying their fossils. As we have mentioned before, whatever remains from the dead animal or plant is called the fossils. And we have agreed that scientists study fossils in order to know how did this animal or plant lived long time ago. For example, the large skeleton of a Tyrannosaurus rex, it tells us that this animal was about 5 meters tall. As you can see their fossils, it seems that this animal was tall. Now, fossils can tell us what an animal ate. Animals with pointed teeth were probably meat eaters because it's sharp, they can hunt the animal, while the animals with flat teeth were probably plant eaters. Other fossils can show how an animal moved. For example, a fossil with fins, it shows that this animal could move through water. A fossil with wings shows that the animal could fly. An ancient shark called a megalodon used this tooth to pierce flesh. Scientists also use fossils to find out how Earth and living things have changed over time. Many fish fossils are found on land. This means that millions of years ago, the land was covered with water. Over time, the land rose above the water and the fossils remained in the rock and the soil that had been underwater. How deep a fossil is buried gives clues about when an organism lived. Fossils found closest to the surface are usually youngest, and fossils found in the deeper layers are older. Have a look on this example. The woolly mammoth became extinct thousands of years ago. Their fossils can tell us that this animal had a large trunk and tusks. Now, the fossils cannot tell us how this animal used its body parts, but scientists learned how ancient animals used their body parts by studying similar animals living today. For example, the elephants, they are similar to the woolly mammoth. They use their trunks in order to grasp and smell. Now, scientists think that the woolly mammoth used its trunks in similar way. Eagles look very similar to flying reptiles called the pterodactyls. The pterodactyls had long wingspans and large beaks. So scientists think that the pterodactyls used their beaks and claws in order to catch fish just like eagles do. Thank you.